Have you ever felt lost trying to improvise because the pentatonic scale just feels too big, goes across the entire guitar neck? The problem is, students try to see the whole pattern. They wander, they lose home, they stop sounding musical. Today, one tiny neighborhood, safe notes, safe returns, real improvisation. You don't need the whole neck. You don't need advanced theory. You need one neighborhood and one home. Let's make one small area sound great. This tiny little area right here is already enough to start improvising. Most players get overwhelmed because they think they need the entire pentatonic scale at once. We're going to treat this like a tiny little neighborhood instead of a giant scale pattern. Now watch how I keep leaving home and coming right back. People start getting lost because they don't know where their safe returns are. They don't know how to return properly. I'm kind of lost right now. I have no direction, I have no home. Now this, see how much more musical that is? If I go, when the phrase returns to home, much more musical. If you want to start connecting the fretboard, grab my free 6-day Fretboard Freedom Challenge. You'll find the link in the description section below. This is the home bass right here. It's a B note. There's also a B note up here and down here as well. And those are all anchor notes. They're going to be our home bass. We're going to move this exact same concept to a different neighborhood. Same patrol idea. I'm going on patrols. A different string grouping. Now we can travel a little bit without getting lost. Going from here to there. Small exits, safe returns. That's the whole idea. It's already starting to sound like real phrasing because the movement has structure. Let's go to the south a little bit more. This is the south this way, this is the north. I can go to the north as well, this way. It's another anchor note down here. Everything comes home. When you return to these home bass notes, you're not lost anymore. One small neighborhood is enough to start improvising. Stay inside of one neighborhood, leave home, then come back, repeat the process. Don't rush and let the groove breathe. In the next lesson, we're going to continue to make connections across the entire fretboard. Speaking of the fretboard, make sure you check out my free 6-lesson Fretboard Freedom Challenge. The information is in the links down below.